To migrate from or to RepairShopr, you need to generate an API token. This information is needed to establish a secure connection between your RepairShopr account and Migration Wizard. Here's how to generate a RepairShopr API token. Go to your RepairShopr account. Click on the admin icon in the right top corner. Scroll down to API Tokens under API. Press on New Token in the right-hand corner. In New Token, choose Custom Permissions. Check all API permissions. Scroll down to Ticket. Use ticket charges and tickets. View their ticket details assigned to them and disable the permissions. Copy new Zapier API token. When you go to API Tokens under the admin icon, find your API token. Now you can connect RepairShopr to Migration Wizard.